Yeah, just making this shot awkward, isn't it? He's having to stretch over, and the bridge will be slightly abnormal as well, so it's all adding to the pressure on the shot. Just make sure this bridge is really strong and solid. And unfortunately, another chance goes by.
22. Yeah. Right, can you go there? Ronnie says you're moving on his shot.
Yes, well, Dan had a little look before at the photographer, and Ronnie's asking someone to leave the arena as well.
Just looking at that blackie mist, and Ronnie there was looking at some photographer, and I think I heard him say to referee Paul Collier, he's an inexperienced one. Get him out of the room.
One.
Yeah, it's a funny thing though, is when you play snooker, John, as it used to, in the old billiard halls, you'd have fruit machines going on and the bar and everything going on. You would never, never bothered. It's just when you get one noise and it's completely silent, that puts you off more.
Yeah, or a movement. I mean, obviously there's cameramen about, so the players are used to that, but it's when you see something that you're not used to. This is one thing I've noticed about this open plan. I've seen some great shots playing, hardly any reaction from the crowd because they feel as though they don't want to put the other player off on the other table. Which is understandable. Ronnie in a spot of bother here. There's no reds that will go, he's too straight on the yellow. If he plays the green, he's going to have to play it with pace and try and bring something into play. It's not straightforward, this. Well, does he think there's a red available into the middle? I can't see it myself. 4. So just a safety.
Maybe I've settled them 4.
And as we expect with Ronnie, as we see that good tap on the table from Ben Willison. Excellent safety shot, using the brown as a blocker for all the reds.